kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute police officer. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw the face and the ears. Now, draw the police hat on top of the head and add the badge. Then draw the body and the police uniform shirt. Draw one hand waving hello and the other hand near the belt. Next, add the badge, pockets, and belt details. Now, draw the pants and the legs. Great job! Now it's time to color. Use a soft skin color for the face and hands. You can also add some shading to make the drawing look more lively. Color the hat and uniform with dark blue. Color the belt and shoes with black and done. Your cute police officer is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!